we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Talkie app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, click on this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to dialogue display in full screen. So then you just click here in this sign. So that like you see this color show for us. That's mean dialogue display in full screen enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. That's all. So just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.